I'm going to show you how to get 1000 subscribers just in 24 hours. You heard me right. I am going to show you how to get 1000 subscribers just in 24 hours. If you are new to this channel, I am Pius, giving strategies on how to grow and develop on YouTube successfully. There's a strategy here on YouTube that most creators are not sharing out because it is a smart and efficient way of getting subscribers. It doesn't need a camera, it doesn't need you to go and start making content one by one, but it is just a simple trick. I'm going to explain it to you, please. Those that are new here, I request you subscribe to this page for the tips and strategies on how to grow fast. In the first step, I'm going to show you how to apply the strategy. Then the second step, I'm going to be showing you the things that you should do and the things that you should not do so as the strategy to work for you very well. Without wasting any time, let's jump into this strategy. So you are going to pick out your phone. Then after picking out your phone, you are going to go on the YouTube application, the normal application that each and every phone has. So after seeing the YouTube application, we are supposed to touch the application like that. Yes, after touching it, we go on to the shorts side. After going on the shorts, we are supposed to look through and look out for the short that has really gotten enough number of views. You're going to just look into all your shorts, scroll slowly, and then you're going to look out for the short that has really hit it, that has really made it, the short that the YouTube algorithm has been able to favor. So that, in a way, that short is the one that is going to do magic for you. It's the one that is going to pull views for you. For example, those that are beyond 1k or 1,000 views, you pick. So you are going to pick out a shot like this one, then simply you'll go to that button. You're going to touch on that button, select collab. After selecting the video on the collab, you're supposed to be required to collaborate with it. This is something which is free and it is fully allowed. So after reaching there, you're going to allow our video to process. So when it's done, you're going to show out, like it's going to come with two screens like you see there, this video on this side and then yourself, like you can see me shining out like star on the other screen. So after selecting it, you're going to react to the video, you're going to talk anything that you could want, or maybe say hi or comment or do any commentary on it. So afterwards, after you're going to be done, it's going to again process. It's likely to take just a few seconds from there. So after a few seconds, you can just kindly wait a little bit. So after it opening up like that, you can press next. On pressing next, it brings for you, wait a little bit, wait, it brings you that screen. So on bringing that screen, yes, you're supposed to go right away and select the thumbnails. So you select the thumbnail that you're interested in, then that is catchy. So after selecting the thumbnail, you're going to put the title, and then the title afterwards, you're going to make sure you put a catchy title, and then you put some nice hashtags. Like you can say hashtag, maybe YouTube shorts, you can put shorts so that it is able to be with the heading as well as the hashtags like YouTube shorts, funny, according to your niche. Yes, according to your niche that you're in. So afterwards, you're going to select either public, unlisted, or for this, we select public. Then you continue. You select not for kids in case you're in a niche that is not for kids. In case you're doing a niche that is about kids, you can select for kids, yes. Then afterwards, you continue. Then obviously you have to post the video on YouTube right after posting one video like we've done. You're going to be required to post again after 3 hours. Do it again after more 3 hours. Then after you leave it for about 24 hours as you observe the results. I'm 100% sure that out of all those videos that you've posted, you will not fail to achieve your 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much for listening. We'll meet in the next video.